I was just addicted to being sad. And I didn't want to be sad anymore. I didn't want to deal with that anymore. I mean, if you see my Facebook, I'm very blessed with friends and activities and trips. I'm not that person, but I always found like my relationships, like I said before in the previous tape, that my relationships always ended the same. I always approached it the same. It was never anything different. And here I am, I'm relationship 10, 11, 12, and it's the same thing. And I'm older now, and I'm tired. I'm just tired of being sad. I'm tired of not progressing. I'm tired of being a prisoner. I'm tired of not living the best life because I want to. I'm tired of being the best. I live my best life. I'm the best nurse. I'm your best friend. I'm the best lover. I'm the best cook. I'm the best sister. But I wasn't the best to myself. Do you know what I mean? I wasn't the best to me, to Jackie. I was the best to everyone else. And I was getting the shit, the garbage, the leftovers from everyone else. And I would accept that. And now I don't accept those things. I have no patience. It's really strange because when I hear people talking about certain things now, after the course and after going through my mental, mental straightening and my exercises and my videos and my reading books and going through all these slides, I don't have patience when someone says, "Oh, I'm depressed." But why are you depressed? I'm saying, what are you doing about it? Like, what can, why are you waking up like this every day and you're doing the same thing? Because they're not going to change.
Hmm.
You have to change yourself. You have to look within yourself and change yourself. And it's been a few weeks and I finished the course now. And yesterday I was in the Hamptons and I'm running, and you see things differently. You breathe, and I saw a tree, I saw the road, I saw the sunshine, I saw the water on the right side, and I had the strength to go running with the music in my ears as I'm seeing the tapes. I'm still doing the slides, and I'm like, this is fucking great. I feel awesome. I'm so blessed. I'm being more grateful to to the universe. I'm celebrating life, and as I'm celebrating life now, it's celebrating me more. My friends are searching for me to do things more, and I actually choose peace to be home because I'm exhausted from work and I'm exhausted from hanging out. I choose to be. I'm not no longer a prisoner, so I enjoy my company, even reading a book or watching a show or watching the news, just going through my slides, and like I'm addicted to now going over these things over and over because I want more. It's like a drug. You want more. What else? What level? What next level can I reach? What else can I do to make myself even better? And then when I check the site of the Facebook and I see people just starting out, and I'm like, oh my God, they're so lucky. They're gonna feel so good.
It's
They're
funny.
gonna feel
It's a
so
funny way to
great.
look at it. Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna feel so great. They have no idea what's coming. They have no
Yeah.
idea that you're gonna be the best version of yourself and you're gonna love yourself and that you're going also choose who you're gonna let into your life, into your own world. You're not gonna just let anybody in there anymore because this is your world. This is your life. And if they're not gonna add to you, then why let them drain you? And this is what I've learned the past few weeks, the past month or two, that I'm not letting anybody be my energy vampire anymore. That I'm not letting anybody suck the happy Jackie, effervescent that people describe me as since I was younger. Like I am the life of the party. I do light up the room when I walk in, and I'm not gonna let anyone else dim my light anymore because I want love, because I want a partner, because I want sex, because whatever it is. Or I want my sister to hang out with me, and she doesn't. Boo hoo. No more boo. It doesn't get you anywhere. You need to wake up. And this is when I see other people saying their victories. I'm like, oh my God. And now my victories are turning into synchronies. It's just happening over and over and over. And I keep seeing them. I see more of it as the days progress. As the days proceed, I see more of it happening. It's like a puzzle. Pieces are going back. It's like a little
Good.
puzzle being put together. And like I wrote here, like I said I wanted to, because I get a little nervous and I'm hyper. Like I love life now. I love life. I want to wake up in the morning and I want to do my mental exercise and I want to go to the gym like I usually do. I don't want to sit there and cry. And of course I want to call him again and he's been texting me a lot actually. And I'm just like whatever. Of course God, I miss his smell, the touch, the Sundays we watched football. We used to go to the gym together, went to church together, and then we made crazy love all day. Like we had a
Hmm.
routine going, and that he took that away. And of course, I felt naked. I felt wow. I felt ashamed. I was ashamed of what I gave to someone. I'm no longer ashamed of what I gave him. I gave him me, but I didn't give him the best version of me. I was subservient. I was, oh, I wanted to be something I was not, the way he wanted me to eat, the way he wanted me to behave, the way he wanted me. Now I am going to be me, the best version of me, the best version Jackie could be. Not just the nurse, the friend, the lover, but me, my best friend. I am my best friend. I love myself. And I do more things each day to progress now. Instead of sitting there crying and feeling sorry for myself, which is not going to get you anywhere. What does that really get you, sitting on your couch crying and looking out? And, what does that do for you? When you do something like this for yourself, you're not depending on anybody for your happiness because it's coming from within you. It's go time. It's you. It's time to be defined by the visions of the future, not the memories of the past. Like the past
Right.
is the past. I used to be 16 and 100 pounds, and now I'm now 53 years old and I'm a little heavier. But you have to love the changes. You have to love the metamorphosis of who you are physically, mentally, spiritually. You have to love that. And I want people to understand why I wanted to speak again, because I had so much to say, and I just want them to understand and to be patient, because it's going to happen. It's going to happen, and you don't know what hits you when it hits you. Like I said, it's like wow, like I feel great, and this really was amazing, and this is something that it should be more popular, that it should be more out there. I can't believe that this is the first time I've heard of this. I mean, conceptually, I've heard of neuroplexicity. I am a nurse, but not this kind of training, not this kind of healing. I felt like you cared, like more than a therapist does. Like you cared. You were there, and I don't know where you find the time. I don't know. I mean, I call you, and you're like having dinner, or oh, it's okay. My girlfriend's looking at the menu right now. I would have killed you. Put that phone down. This is our time. But you were there for us. You were there, even though you were having dinner with your girlfriend. You were there late night, and you answered my call, and that really meant a lot to me. That you are committed to this program. That you are committed to us, to all the people that are reaching out to you, and that's what I really, really, really want people to know. Like, wow, like no one, your therapist is not going to be there that hour that you book with him, and he'll take notes, and maybe he'll prescribe some medication, and how do you feel, and ask you some questions, and maybe he'll suggest some things, but you're not really getting to the root of the problem of straightening, to make your mind stronger, to make your mind, heal. And I'm not healed 100%, but I'm healed. I'm healed.